Why people don't respect you. Fix your eye contact today. Do you know that your eyes can speak louder than your words? Many English learners focus only on grammar and vocabulary, but forget that eye contact is the real secret to sounding fluent and confident. In this video, I'll show you how to use eye contact naturally in conversations, interviews, and public speaking, so people respect your words and trust your presence. If you're ready to transform your spoken English, hit like and tell me in the comments, do you struggle with eye contact in conversations or on stage? The first rule is the 50-70 rule. Make eye contact about 50% while speaking and 70% while listening. This balance shows confidence without staring. Next, use the triangle technique. Gently shift your gaze between the listener's eyes and mouth, making your look natural. For groups, try the audience sweep. Focus on one person for a sentence, then move to another. Practice these daily, and you'll notice people listening more, respecting more, and valuing your words. Now let me elaborate on the 50-70 rule. The first rule is the 50-70 rule. Keep eye contact about 50% of the time while speaking and 70% while listening. Why does this matter? If you avoid eye contact when speaking, people assume you're unsure of your words. If you stare constantly, it feels aggressive or even uncomfortable. But 50 out of 70 shows balance. It says, I'm confident, but I also respect you. Let's learn with an example. Imagine you're explaining your project in English. You look down at your notes most of the time. Your teacher or manager may think you don't believe in yourself. Now, if you stare into their eyes the whole time, they'll feel awkward. But if you hold eye contact for a phrase, then shift naturally, you'll look confident and composed. Comment below. Do you think you give more eye contact while speaking or while listening? Now, let me elaborate on the next. The triangle technique. The second rule is the triangle technique, perfect for one-on-one conversations. Instead of locking onto one eye and staring, move your gaze gently between the left eye, then the right eye, then the mouth, forming a soft triangle. Why does this work? It makes your gaze natural, warm, and engaging. It also prevents nervous darting or stiff staring. Let's understand with an example. Let's say you're introducing yourself in an interview. If you only stare at the interviewer's left eye, it feels awkward. But if you glide your gaze, eye, mouth, your face looks more relaxed, your tone sounds more fluent, and your confidence shines through. Try this today in your next conversation and comment triangle if it felt more natural. Now let me elaborate on the audience sweep. Now, what if you're speaking to a group? That's where the audience sweep comes in. The rule is simple. Land your eyes on one person for a full sentence, then shift to another person for the next. Keep sweeping across the room in different zones, front, middle, back, so everyone feels included. Imagine you're giving a short English speech to your classmates. If you only look at your notes or just one person in the front row, others switch off. But if you sweep your gaze, one line to someone on the left, one line to the center, one to the back, suddenly, the whole room feels connected. Imagine 5 people sitting in front of you right now. Whose eyes would you choose first? Type it in the comments. These techniques only work if you practice them. Here's a quick drill you can do daily in just 1 minute. Read a sentence out loud and hold eye contact in the mirror until the period. Speak a tongue twister, like she sells seashells, using the triangle technique. Pretend 5 objects in your room are your audience. Deliver one line to each object while sweeping your eyes. Do this every day for a week, and you'll notice people listening more, respecting more, and valuing your words. Remember, respect doesn't come only from what you say, but from how you look at people when you say it. With the 50-70 rule, triangle technique, and audience sweep, you can instantly transform your presence and speak English with confidence. If this video helped you, don't just watch, like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more powerful tips. And comment below, which technique will you practice today?